I love that word, pivot. The president's State of the Union address tomorrow expected to mark a pivot back to the economy, job creation, growth perhaps even. Maybe we'll hear that. Here's why the president should never have strayed away from the economy. New figures out today show that China has now officially surpassed the United States and is the world's biggest trading nation. China's exports and imports of goods last year, their exports and imports total $3.87 trillion. $3.87 trillion. Compared to the U.S., 3.82. Yes, it's that close. But that's not all. China also posted a full-year trading surplus of $231 billion. $231 billion. While the United States reported a total trade deficit last year of just about $728 billion. That's a $1 trillion swing, isn't it? Minus, and this is without any question, a plus. A $1 trillion swing in trade. China also posted, this is incredible, an 8.2% increase in its GDP in the latest quarter, compared to our stunning decline, again another minus sign, of 0.1% in the fourth quarter. Contracting economy versus an economy that is, it's unimaginable to think what that 8.2% growth rate feels like there. China's latest unemployment rate, yes, they've got unemployment. They've got an unemployment rate of 4.1%. Our unemployment rate, of course, 7.9%. And China's government debt, yes, they have debt. They have $1.8 trillion in debt. That's a lot of money, huh? Ours is $16.5 trillion in debt. But you know what? I got to believe that the Chinese feel a little bit better about theirs, because we're going to add another $1 trillion to ours. And meanwhile, the United States owes China $1.2 trillion. $1.2 trillion. There's no counterweight, you may have noticed, for that $1.2 trillion. It's a little problem for us to owe what is, after all, a communist nation, $1.2 trillion, and we are big shot capitalists, right? What's wrong here? Well, we're going to be talking about that very issue throughout the week. We're going to be looking at how the United States model compares to Europe's model and to the, if you will, the communist model, the Chinese model. Is the communist model any more sustainable than what we have? And if no one has a model that's really working, maybe it's time to look at the possibility of a new model, or perhaps we should return to the values that created all of this wealth for nearly all of the world, but certainly for all of America. Just a thought.